Hello and welcome back to Luke Drone Guy on Instagram or Scottish Drone Services on Facebook. And today I've decided to come out and visit a place local to myself in Inverness. It's a place called the Falls of Foyers. If you're thinking of actually coming here on a walk, you have got the option, the higher viewpoint. There is a very good staircase here also, may I add. I'm at the lower viewpoint. Got the drone and we're going to take a look at this very beautiful place just on the banks of Loch Ness. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for joining me on Luke Drone Guy on Instagram, Scottish Drone Services on Facebook. See you for the next video.